Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Crème Anglaise. Crème Anglaise is one of those cream that we use a lot in pastry and in chocolate making, but especially in pastry. If you make an ice cream, you're going to need what we call a crème anglaise, but also if you want to do, let's say, a Bavarian, which is half crème anglaise with a little bit of gelatin, and then we mix that with some whipped cream. And then we have a Bavarian, which is a light cream that we can put into cakes. Crème Anglaise also go on the side of desserts. It's a really rich and satisfying little cream or little garnish that you can put next to a dessert. Or if you make a chocolate soufflé, a little bit of crème anglaise on top of it, make it so more delicious. So to make a crème anglaise, I'm going to use 500 grams of milk, which is pretty much half quarts of milk, then 1 vanilla bean. So first I'm going to scrape all the inside of the vanilla beans, and then I'm going to put that on the stove. During the time that the cream is heating, I'm going to separate eggs. So I need 4 yolks. Then I'm going to use a whisk to mix 125 grams of sugar. So half of the sugar in the yolk, half of the sugar into the milk. So you want the sugar to be well incorporated. We're going to bring this cream to a boil and put half of the milk into So what's important here is to stop the cooking before everything boils. If the mixture is boiling, then the yolk going to separate, they're going to coagulate. So we need to stop it just before it's going to boil. And you see it when the crème anglaise is just thick enough to cover the spoon, but it doesn't boil yet. Okay, so now I'm going to pass the crème anglaise through the sifter here. So the crème anglaise is cooked now. The best way will be to put it on top of ice, cool it down, and then it will stay in the refrigerator for a couple of days, easily 2 to 3 days. Again, you can do ice cream, you can do a Bavarian, you can do some sauce, you can do a lot of things with that. I hope that helped.